You're willing to do whatever it takes. You've already raised rates twice in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Do you think those rate hikes have worked?
One of the key lessons that we have to preempt the uncertainty. If you live with uncertainty, don't let uncertainty hit you. You have to preempt the uncertainty. That's why this is the first thing that we did. To preempt the uncertainty of the possibility of Fed fund rate increase more than 3 times, the possibility of the impact of fiscal deficit in the U.S. To the U.S. Treasury bill, the increase of the risk premium in the global. This is the thing that we did, and thank goodness, after we preempting those bouts of uncertainty, our rupiah has been quite strong. Stable.
You talk about preempting.
Yeah.
Is there a need for another rate hike? Because we've heard from the likes of Goldman Sachs saying that you probably need one in the third quarter, if not in June itself.
We will continue calibrate all of the economic and financial development globally and domestically to utilize the increase in the interest rate in the measure term. This is the clear forward guidance. Yes, there is a possibility of rate hike. Of course, the magnitude and the timing will be measured and will be depend upon our calibration of new information that will be coming in the coming board meeting.
You talked about being ahead of the curve. What assumptions are you making about the Fed next week, and how closely are you watching it? How closely will your own policy decisions be linked to that?
Our domestic economy is strong, and those aspects, there is no reason to respond in the policy of monetary for domestic reason, because our inflation end of this year is 3.6% within our target. Our current account deficit now is 2.1%. Overall this year will be below 2.5%. There is no reason for that. Of course, on the longer term, we want current account to be lower. And our growth is recovering. Banking is quite sound.
You touched on the rupiah, now hovering at about 13,900, and you talked about the rupiah, wanting the rupiah to be stronger. What is fair value of the rupiah?
Well, the fair value of the rupiah is always a dynamic, will be depend on this fundamental indicator, the inflation, current account deficit, of course, the amount of the inflow and the portfolios, as well as the risk premium that develop in the market. Well, on the short-term case, of course, before this new development since early of February, when confidence in Indonesia is quite strong, inflow is quite high at the time, 13,300. But then, since early of February, there's capital outflows. There's overshooting there. Now it's strengthening again. So we are seeing now the development of inflows again, but not to the level that we wanted to be extended more. And I think this is will guiding the development of further strengthening our rupiah going into the future.
How deep is the pocket? How much can you intervene to prop up the currency?
We will stand ready if there is pressure in the market, like the one that we are seeing since early of February. This is beyond normal. This is, the thing that the market are, in the process of adjustment. This is where Bank Indonesia need to step in, not to intervene the market mechanism, Linda, to ensure you, but to ensure the adjustment is smooth.